exterior angle theorem. Here's the last relationship that we're going to study in this class in terms of angles. All right, let's define what the exterior angle theorem says. Here we go. Here's the last theorem. Remember, a theorem is just a fancy word for law. The last theorem says the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two adjacent remote interior angles. Huh? What the heck does that mean? We'll just write it down and we're going to talk about what that means. The last one. The sum, the measure of the exterior angle is equal to so the exterior angle is this angle outside the triangle, notice. I'll call it angle 1. Hold on there. The two remote ones? Yeah, good. And that's all it is. It's that simple. I want to draw that picture underneath also, if you would. Big time up. All right, example 2 is coming right up. Here we go. On the large side, isn't it? Shrink this a bit. And here's example 2. Copy this one down. That's a beautiful sky. Huh? Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, the exterior angle. Mr. Manson would want you paying attention right now. Yes. One day, that's what I'm saying.
Did you say Mr. Manson would want you to pay attention?
Yeah. He knows his algebra. Okay, here we go. 3x minus 22, here we go. 3x minus 22, that's the exterior angle, is equal to the two remote interiors, this one and this one, 80 plus x. This is an example where we couldn't use a method used for the first example because we have an unknown here. Right, so we wouldn't be able to use that linear pair strategy that we used, that I offered Mr. Moore an extra stamp for. We couldn't do that. Right, unless we found that exactly. Good. So there's two unknowns, so that wouldn't work. So we're going to just go directly to the exterior angle theorem. EAT, EAT, exterior angle theorem. Nice, Gomez. Let's subtract x from both sides. By 80 is 2x minus 22. Get x's on one side. Beautiful. I love it. Towards the end of the year, all my students become mathematicians, man. It's pretty sweet. It's sweet to watch it. Beautiful. I was getting worried about that. Thank you. 102. Let's see. 51. Put on, Randy. Thank you. So x is 51. Nice. Yeah, okay, it's on the video. You'll see it shortly. I'll post it up on the Google Classroom. Okay. You want to go, leave it a few seconds, go. This is the main one right here. You can get this equation and then solve the rest later. Just get that main equation. The exterior angle equals the two remote interiors. Two more examples of that. All right. There's an F-bomb there, wasn't it? Come on now. Thank you, more. Example 3. Once you see an exterior angle, you're going right to the exterior angle theorem. Anybody need some stamps? I'm offering. All right, go for it. Come on down, Gomez. So Mr. Gomez is going to come up and put this on the board. By the way, Mr. Gomez, you'll be on YouTube for forever, as long as this video is going to be on YouTube. So Mr. Adam Gomez is now going to take the show. Go for it, Mr. Gomez. So he's going to use the exterior angle theorem. Notice the exterior is equal to the two remote interiors. Very nice. Excellently done. Excellently done. Notice the, right here, this is the key right here. Exterior angle, right here, is equal to the two non-adjacents added up. He added these two up right here. Rest is algebra. He got x's on one side. Beautiful. He combined like terms, subtracted 8 from both sides. X is 23. Now we're in a position to find the exterior angle. If I want to know how many degrees the exterior angle was, let's replace x with 23. 4 times 23 would be 80 or 92. 92 plus 8 would be 100. So this would be a 100-degree angle here. Cool. All right. Last but not least. This one you're going to do on your own, and then raise your hand when you're done. Yeah, I'm not. Raise your hand when you're done. When you're done, get your tree map out, and you're going to finish adding color and pictures to your tree map for the rest of the time, for the next like maybe 15, 20 minutes. Okay? Here we go. Now, when I say the tree mat, adding pictures is what I mean. I'll add the first few. So before I give you the last problem, vertical angles. Look at. Can we talk, please? Thanks. Vertical angles. Look at a little picture just to remind you what they are. So I'm going to put angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Linear pair, a little picture. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. See? Triangle sum theorem. Little picture. 1, 2, and 3. Look at all the angles inside the triangle.
You just put a big plus sign.
I like that. So whatever you want, I like that. Get inventive and put whatever's going to remind you on the test what each angle, the factoid, the fun fact about every relationship. Because they are fun. I'm sure you noticed. Here we go. Make me proud. Show me you can do this one here. This is example 4 or 5. I can't remember. Thank you. Raise your hand when you got it and then go on to your tree map. Again, add some color to your tree map. Some of your tree maps make me fall asleep. They're so boring. Use some color, man. Jeez. Again. Cool. Just on your tree map.
I need to do the tree map.
Make a 9 branch tree map. Pretty stamp, yeah. Pretty good about this. So I got one person got the answer. Exterior equals 2 non-adjacents. Add those puppies up. You got it? Let me see. Give me a second here. So funny, Grundy. So funny, man. I hear you. Put it right here for the sake who are done.